Frank never liked asking for help. He was a retired mechanic, the kind of man who used to lift engine blocks and fix anything with his hands. But at 74, carrying the laundry basket left his arms shaky. His legs felt unreliable. Not painful, just hollow, like the strength had drained out without warning. It didn't happen overnight. First he cut his walks short, then came the slow climb up the stairs. And one afternoon, when his daughter stopped by, she instinctively grabbed the grocery bags from his hands. Frank didn't argue, but something inside him sank. That wasn't about the groceries. It was about pride and the quiet fear of losing more than just strength. His doctor called it normal aging, said to take it easy, maybe join a chair exercise group. But Frank wasn't ready to settle. He didn't want to cope, he wanted to recover. When he came to me, he wasn't looking for a miracle. He just wanted to feel steady again, like his body still belonged to him. What Frank was facing wasn't just tiredness, it was sarcopenia, the silent muscle-wasting condition that accelerates after 60. Most people don't realize it's happening until basic tasks feel like effort, and by then, rest has already become the default, which only speeds it up. But sarcopenia isn't just about muscle, it's about how aging changes the rules. Your body stops using protein efficiently. Muscle fibers break down faster, and inflammation from food, from stress, from inactivity quietly chips away at your foundation. Frank didn't need more pills. He needed to signal to his body that strength still mattered. So we made small, meaningful changes. He started spacing his protein-rich meals earlier in the day, skipping breakfast altogether and focusing on 2 clean, hearty meals. For lunch, he'd have eggs cooked in grass-fed butter with sardines or liver and lightly sautéed kale. Dinner was a ribeye steak, bone broth, or slow-cooked lamb with roasted marrow bones. No grains, no sugar, just real, healing food, rich in nutrients his muscles could actually use. We added a few short movements, not cardio, not long workouts, just 10 minutes each morning. Resistance band pulls, slow squats using the kitchen counter for support, some light walking with purpose. Not to burn calories, but to remind his muscles they were still needed. And we supported his recovery with anti-inflammatory foods and a natural creatine supplement, a simple but powerful addition that helped restore his muscle function from the inside out. The shift wasn't instant, but it came. About 4 weeks in, Frank noticed he was standing without grabbing the armrests. His legs felt solid. He brought in the groceries before his daughter even reached the driveway. She gave him a look, surprised, and said, "You're stronger than I've seen you in years." And he was. Because that's what happens when the body is given the right input in the right order. This isn't just about getting older. It's about sending your body a new message. We're not done yet. Everything Frank did, the meals, the movements, the muscle supporting strategy, is inside my 30-day muscle revival blueprint. It's built for adults over 50 who want to rebuild what time has tried to take away. You'll find it linked below. If you want to understand more about the foods that help restore strength, check out my Smart Nutrition for Seniors playlist. There's a video in there that pairs perfectly with this story. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you felt your strength slipping or found something natural that helps? Leave a comment below. I read every one. Your body hasn't given up. It's just been waiting for you to call it back.